All right. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Raver. This is for some of the 7th graders and some of the people from last year who are in 7th grade this year. So here we go. This is a problem that has distributive property. We're going to do 2 or 3 problems here. So this is distributive property. So we're just going to do 3 times 2x, which is going to give us 6x, minus 3 times 6, which is 18, and that equals 27. So we're going to make this a plus. So then we're going to subtract 18 from both sides. And this is the, we're doing the inverse property of addition. That means we're going to subtract from both sides. So that cancels out. We're left with 6x equals 9. So we divide both sides by 6. And we're left with x equals 9 over 6. And we can simplify 9 over 6. And we can simplify that to 3 over 2. So then if we plug that back into our problem, just to double check, so we have 3 times 2 times 3 over 2. And then plus 6. And then equals 27. So we're going to do this. This cancels out, right? So this is just left with a 3. So we end up with 3 plus 6, 27. So 9 times 3, 27. So 27 equals 27. So we know that that's a correct answer. So the problem that I saw today with some of you is like you forgot this whole process right here of the inverse operation. Okay? In order to get something from one side to the other, you have to do the inverse operation. So this is a plus 18, so you've got to do minus 18. And then you've got to do that to both sides of the equal sign. So that's one problem. Again, if you need to stop or slow down the video, then go ahead and stop and slow it down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and erase this. And let's try some that are negative numbers, okay? So let's try negative 5 times x plus 5. And that equals 3, let's do 8x, 8 times x, no, we'll do 8x times 3, x plus 5. Yeah, let's try that. So, distributive property means we have a negative 5x, and then negative 5 times positive 5, so plus negative 25 equals 24x plus 40. So we're going to go ahead and this is not, it's going to come out as a strange problem, but we'll go ahead and do this. So here's a negative 25, so I've got to add 25 to this side and add 25 to this side. So this is canceling out. I've got negative 5x equals 24x plus 65. So then we're going to do minus 24x here. Get this to the other side. Minus 24x here. Cancels out, so this is minus 29x equals 65. So then divide both sides by negative 29. Negative 29, so x is equal to 65 over negative 29. Now if you work that out, you're going to end up with probably 2 point something, but I'm just going to leave it as this. I don't have any problems from your book because I didn't bring that down, but that's another problem. let's try one with a fraction. So let's try 2/3 x, 2/3 times 3x plus 9 equals plus 7 equals 1/4 x times 8x plus 12. So if I'm multiplying here, I have 2/3 times 3x plus 2/3 times 9/1. So this x, that's going to cancel out. So you're going to end up with 2x here. And these two will cancel out. That's a 1 and a 3. So you end up with plus 6 here. Plus 7. So this is going to be 2x plus 13. So here we end up with 1/4 x. 1/4 times 8x. So that's going to cancel out 1 and 2. So this becomes 2x plus 1/4 times 12/1. Cancels out. That just becomes 3. So now we have 2x plus 3. So this is going to become perfect for you guys having done the 0 solutions, 1 solution, or infinitely many. So if I subtract 2x from here and 2x from here, I'm going to end up with 13 equals 3, because that cancels out and that cancels out. So that is going to be 0 solutions. This is a 0 or no solution problem. No solutions for this problem here. So you've gotten a few problems there to work on. So hopefully that'll help you. You can spend a little time on those. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. Peace out.